if you want to activate the child lock on your Bosch induction cooktop. And here you can see the model number, but the model number actually will not make any difference. It's going to be the same for all of the induction cooktops from the Bosch. So the light is covering the buttons, but basically the only thing that you need to keep in mind is that the cooktop itself should be turned off, and then you have this key symbol button here. Apologies, it's very dirty. Click it and wait for 4 seconds. After the 4 seconds, you will hear the beep and the light will appear, and at this moment you are not even able to turn it on. So if you want to turn it off, again, click and hold for the 4 seconds, and this is going to be disabled. And the secret is that there is actually another way how you can prevent some nasty kids from clicking the buttons. Is like whenever the cooktop is turned on and you already like have some temperature set up or whatever, you can press the hand button, which will prevent to change all the settings on all the panels that you might have. Click again to turn it off and turn off your cooktop.